Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress, and today I'm going to speak to you about why making money is so easy and yet why it's so hard. Okay? All right, but before I get started, two things. Firstly, every concept that I speak about as a sorceress, a seer, and a shaman is to do with the energetic realms, the unseen, the realms that you can't actually hear, feel, see, taste, smell, or see. But there may be some of you who can actually do one or the other, okay? So everything that I speak about is energy. And the energetics behind whatever is impacting your physical life and your business. So money is a part of it, and it is a huge deal at the moment. Secondly, the second thing that I want to actually bring to your attention is that because the world is in chaos at the moment, and regardless of when you listen to this message, it really doesn't matter. The concepts that I am speaking about of why money is so easy to make and yet it's hard still applies. So you can listen to this at any point in time. It really doesn't matter. However, because of what is happening in the world at the time that this message is being released, I just want to bring to your attention that there are a lot of vendors. I'm going to call everybody a vendor, vendors who are peddling so many products and services, and especially in the online space, of how you can make money fast, how you can start a business, how you can plug into this, how you can plug into that, whatever it may be. And they're making things seem so easy in order to make money. So be really, really careful who you listen to, whose stuff you buy, and what you actually tend to believe, because it is so cluttered with a whole mishmash of messages. And also there's this whole industry that is going on and on and on about the law of attraction. You know, at the end of the day, when you look at it from an energetic perspective, there is nothing called a law of attraction, okay? It is simply an energetic concept that has been latched onto, but it has also created this toxicity around it. So again, please be careful as to who you listen to, what you partake in, and what you allow your energy to meld with, because you are melding energy every time you listen to someone, or you actually buy their products or services, or whatever it is that you do, okay? So the only way, and don't even listen to me, only listen to my messages, only buy my products and services, only buy and consume and listen and give your attention to what you really, really feel called to deep within you, because that is your soul that's guiding you, okay? And only listen to that. If you feel heavy, if you feel that you might actually, say for example, you may get triggered, or you may feel fearful or whatever, but you know that you are meant to listen to something or do something, then go ahead and do it. But it has to feel right for you. And there are so many different ways that you can measure how something feels right to you. So I'm going to leave that up to you. It could be a light feeling. It could be a feeling as if there's something that you really need to do. But it shouldn't really be fear, okay? All right, so I will leave you with those little snippets of caution first. Now, let's get into the reality of this. So money really is so easy to make. And in the world today, it is not a lie when everyone says it is so easy to make money. Because, I mean, I know of people who are generating millions of dollars in a day, not in a week, not in a few weeks, not in a month, not in a year, but in a day. Okay, so it is easy to make money. And it is easy for people to pay you money. It is easy for people to do business. It is easy for people to consume. It is easy, and with so many different payment plans and systems going on, it is easy for people to get instant gratification and to get something now and to pay for it later. So it just makes creating money so much easier. But it also, because of that, there is something that also makes it hard. Okay, so I just want to address both points, because there are a lot of people who are going on about so easy to make money, so easy to make money, buy my product, buy my service, let me show you how. Now here's the thing, that is something that is working for them. It doesn't necessarily have to mean that it is going to work for you. Okay, so the way, and I also have released a few messages about the new earth, the new world that is dawning, and the new energies that's dawning. And this is what I'm trying to actually get across, is that copycatting hacks, tactics, manipulative energies are not going to work anymore. So even now, and it's really prevalent now, the entire thing of it's so easy to make money, buy my product, buy my service kind of mentality is working now, and they're making a lot of money doing that. So, but that is not authenticity. Okay, that is manipulative energy behind those tactics. You need to be savvy in order to understand whether you are being duped, or whether you are being manipulated, or whether you are genuinely being drawn by your soul to consume something to make your life better. Okay, only you can make that choice. And no one can really fool you, no one can really manipulate you, no one can really dupe you unless you are willing to give them that aspect over you. Okay, so that's another thing you need to understand. No one can do that unless you are actually giving them permission to do so. And how do you do that? By simply listening to what they're saying, or by thinking that what they're saying is true, or by thinking that you can emulate them. This is something that I keep trying to tell people. You can't do what someone else does. And I know there are so many different trains of thought and modalities. I'm not going to name the modalities, but there are modalities that actually practice the fact that you can model something and become that. But you know, at the end of the day, energetically, you're actually just becoming somebody else, and that is not why your soul came here in order to experience life. You came here to experience a very unique way of achieving success and living. Okay, so your strategy for success, I say this all the time, your strategy for success is as unique as you. Your strategy for success cannot be copied by somebody else. There are so many different nuances that even if someone does copy you, and I also speak about this, is that if you copy someone who is really good at making money, but their relationship, or they're single, and you really want to have a loving relationship at the same time as make money, well, you are actually not just taking that money making skills from that person, but you're also taking the fact that they are single, which means you may find that your relationship suffers. Do you understand? You are absorbing every facet of their energy. So when you actually decide to listen to someone or to buy from someone, you have to be really careful that you actually like every facet of who they are. That's what authenticity is. And that's why it's, you know, you have to be very, very careful who you believe these days. Okay, so why is money so easy to make? Money is easy to make because money is an energy, and money is not something that you actually need to get outside of you. It's an energy that you can tap into within you. Okay, so but there are people who understand how to tap into that energy a lot easier, than other people. And that is the only reason that they make more money than you. It's not because they are anything more special than you. And you find it harder to make money. The reason I say is that money is really easy to make and also it is hard is because it is when you actually swap into that understanding that, hold on a second, if money is actually simply energy and you're also made of energy, then there should be no gap, no delay, no frustration, no block to you actually receiving the money that you desire. The reason there is a delay, a gap, and frustration, and the reason that you may not be making the money that you want, and the reason that it is also hard to make money, is because you are not in your authenticity. It has got nothing to do with anyone else. It has got everything to do with you. If you are in a business or you are buying a product or a service because you want to copy what someone else has done or emulate their success or do what they're doing, or you're borrowing goals because you want to be like someone else, or you are simply doing something to make money because you simply want to make money, that is inauthenticity. That is what creates delays. That is what creates frustration. That is what creates it, makes it hard to make money. Making money is easy. Making money is easy when you are truly authentic to who you are, whatever that may be. And I'm not being judgmental. You could be a really horrible person and you are truly authentic in that, and then you make money. Do you understand what I'm saying? Energy does not judge, okay? It is totally impartial, which is why you have the most horrible of people on this planet and you have the most peaceful of people on the planet, and you have everything in between. That is because that is creation experiencing itself in all of the different tonalities and shades of energy, okay? So if you are truly authentic to who you are, regardless of what that is, you will find it easy to make money. But if you are not authentic and you are trying to do something or copy something or hack something or manipulate something, then it is harder to make money. I hope that explains it, and that is literally the energetics behind it. So I look at it as it's easy for people to pay me. It is easy for people to buy from me. It is easy for people to actually buy instantly and benefit greatly from my products and services. It is easy for people to pay me money every minute of every day. It is easy for people in any part of the world to consume my products and services and to actually create massive changes in their lives and to benefit from what I actually create. I don't have any doubts about it because my work transforms the lives of so many people all over the world. And there is no doubt in that. But the reason that I have no doubt in that is because not only do I get proof from all of my clients, however, it is because what I am selling, who I am, what I offer, what I create, my brand, my business, is so truly authentic to the absolute core of who I am, my gifts, my talents, and what I embodied this physical body in this lifetime as this soul stream to create. Do you understand? So I hope that this inspires and empowers you to step into your authenticity and to discover who you are. What are you here to create? What are you here to experience? What are you here to do? How are you here to make money? Okay? And I would love to help you do that. So all you need to do is go over to my website, soulenchantress.com, and consume anything that you feel called to consume, because there is no wrong choice. You may feel called to step into my how to create your lifestyle that allows you to travel, work and play on your terms. You may feel called to step into creating an energetic roadmap to your desires in 30 days. You may feel called to connect with your ancestors. You may feel called to step into one of my money and business enchantments. You may feel called to consume something else that I offer. It really doesn't matter. Start wherever you feel called to, and my work is easily accessible in terms of the monetary investment that you need to make. So go to soulenchantress.com, and if you need my help, simply message me. But I invite you to discover who you truly are, and that is the way that you can make money easily. And it truly is easy to make money in this world, so it doesn't have to be hard. I hope you're having a wonderful day and joyous blessings. I am the Soul Enchantress, and you'll find me at soulenchantress.com.